Welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your number one place for learning Hausa language easily. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about popular Hausa foods in Nigeria. So relax and let's begin. Number 1, tuwon shinkafa, rice swallow. Tuwon shinkafa is one of the most famous foods among the Hausa people. Sentences. Ina son tuwon shinkafa sosai. I love tuwon shinkafa very much. Tuwon shinkafa yana narkewa a baki. Rice swallow melts in your mouth. Number 2, tuwon masara, corn swallow. Very common in rural and urban Hausa homes. Examples: tuwon masara abinci ne na gargajiya. Corn swallow is a traditional meal. Yau za mu ci tuwon masara. Today we will eat corn swallow. Number 3, tuwon dawa, unicorn swallow. Very common in rural Hausa homes. Smooth and eaten with different soups. Examples: tuwon dawa yana sa ƙarfi. Tuwon dawa gives energy. Sun dafa tuwon dawa jiya. They cooked tuwon dawa yesterday. Number 4, miyan kuka, babo leaf soup. A famous green soup among northerners. Examples: miyar kuka tana da daɗi sosai. Kuka soup is very delicious. Na koyi yadda ake dafa kuka. I learned how to cook kuka. Number 5, miyan kuɓewa, okra soup. Loved by Hausa families, easy to swallow. Examples: ina jin daɗin miyar kuɓewa. I enjoy okra soup. Sun dafa kuɓewa da safe. They cooked okra in the morning. Number 6, miyar taushe, pumpkin soup. Rich, sweet, and enjoyed with masa or tuwo. Examples: miyan taushe miya ce ta musamman. Taushe is a special soup. Sun ci miyar taushe yau. They ate taushe today. Number 7, dambun shinkafa, rice couscous. Usually eaten with stew or sauce. Examples: dambun shinkafa yana da sauri. Dambun shinkafa is quick to prepare. Sun ci dambun shinkafa da kifi. They ate dambun shinkafa with fish. Number 8, waina or masa, rice pancakes. A Hausa favorite, especially in the northwest. Examples: ina son waina sosai. I like waina a lot. Waina tana da daɗi da miya. Waina tastes good with soup. Now, repeat the names after me. Tuwon shinkafa, tuwon masara, tuwon dawa, miyar kuka, miyar kuɓewa, miyar taushe, dambun shinkafa, waina or masa. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. What is your favorite Hausa food? Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye bye. Say Anjima.